Buddy, it's Brian Shannon from AlphaTrends.net. Today's Wednesday, the 18th of November, 2020. We saw the market sell off just a little bit here today, bringing us down for the week 0.5%, but still above this prior band of resistance. We are now below the 5-day moving average, however, it is rising, but it just puts us a little bit more neutral in the intermediate term, looking like this is kind of going to be our range, 350 to 362. As I've been telling subscribers to AlphaTrends.net that I'm not really focused on trading the indexes so much because there's so much good action in the individual stocks right now. Last week, in the Friday video, I'd mentioned the shares of Riot, and they just exploded beautifully. So hopefully you got those. Today, I also had mentioned on Twitter shares of FUV, and this one just a beauty as well. 855 up to 10 and close to 10 and a half intraday. So the opportunities are there. The overall broader market just kind of settling in a little bit. I think the NASDAQ likely to come down towards that 285-ish level, and that wouldn't be a negative thing. It would just be some consolidation here. The shares of Apple I had mentioned last week, and Apple, we had gotten involved in that. And now I think it's likely we're going to get stopped out of the balance of it. So it's basically going to be a break-even trade. This stock, it's most likely going to need a little bit more time before it can sustain some momentum. We're basically about a break-even in that one and not too concerned about it. The biotechs have been really more disappointing than any group. They seemed like they were ready to get going, and I'm not in here. They've hit what I think should have been the proper stop. So nothing going on with those anymore. However, again, some of the opportunities have just been amazing. And I've been talking also about the cryptos. Ethereum, had a great week since Friday so far. And, if you look at Bitcoin and what that one's doing, it's just been on a tear here lately. BTC, I typed it in wrong, of course, BTC USD. By the way, AlphaTrends.net, I had mentioned on Friday, is on sale, and here's this Bitcoin. I first mentioned it back over in here. AlphaTrends.net, though, I'm having a sale, $599 for the year, not $5.99, you knuckleheads who thought it was that. Anyways, the point is, AlphaTrends.net, every single day I talk about stocks and bring the ideas. We're currently involved in shares of APHA from over here. They're not all winners, of course. We get stopped out of some. We get stopped out of, we got out of this SONO because they report earnings after the close today. But last week, I'd also mentioned stocks like Office Depot, ODP. Never got involved in it because it didn't pull back, and missed a good trade, but that's not my concern. My concern is bringing low risk, high probability trades that we can get involved in. When they gap away like this, I don't chase those gaps. Sometimes I leave money on the table, but I'm quite okay with that. This Pfizer continues to be a mess, and I would say just stay away from that. Baidu, of course, reported earnings after the close on Monday, and this is why I don't buy stocks ahead of earnings. This is where the earnings came out. Anyways, back to AlphaTrends.net. Please take a look at AlphaTrends.net with this post, and if you're just looking at YouTube.com, then please send an email to support@alphatrends.net for details and the link on how to sign up for that subscription. And that'll do it for now. Have a good night.